5 minus 5 equals 0. And again here we have 5 minus 5. So 0 times 0 is just 0. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and then finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have two subtractions and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction because multiplication comes before subtraction. So here, first we have to do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction or this subtraction before this multiplication, it is wrong. So first we have to do this multiplication. 5 times 5 is just 25. So 5 minus 25, then minus 5. Now we have two subtractions. And when we have more than one subtraction in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this subtraction. 5 minus 25, which equals negative 20. So negative 20 minus 5, which equals negative 25. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is negative 25.